In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new document in Affinity. Whether you're working in Affinity Photo, Designer, or Publisher, the process is quick, consistent, and perfect for getting a canvas ready without any fuss. First, open Affinity on your computer so you're on the main workspace. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the application's header and the familiar interface along the top. If a file from a previous session is open, that's fine. What matters is that you can see the top bar where the Affinity logo lives. The goal here is simply to get to the home area where new documents are created. Now look to the top left corner of the window and click the Affinity logo. This brings your focus to the app's main hub and options. From here, find and click the plus icon. This is the shortcut to starting something new, and it opens the new document area. Think of the plus icon as your launching pad. One click and you're ready to choose how your canvas will be set up. When the new document options appear, choose a document format that matches what you're planning to make. You'll typically see helpful presets for common use cases like print, web, and devices. For example, you might pick a standard letter or A4 page for printing, a 1920 by 1080 layout for web or social graphics, or a tablet or phone preset if you're designing for screens. Selecting a preset automatically applies sensible dimensions and settings so you don't have to configure everything manually. If you care about specifics like orientation, color mode, or resolution, you can glance at those details here as well. It's perfectly fine to pick a preset and fine-tune later. The goal is to get you into a fresh document quickly so you can start creating. Once you confirm your choice, Affinity immediately creates your new document and opens it on the canvas. You're done. You now have a clean workspace sized to your needs, with your tools ready down the side and your layers or pages visible as you prefer. If you don't see the result you expected, simply return to the plus icon and try a different preset until it matches your project. Over time, you'll learn which formats suit your workflow best, and you can even rely on the same presets to keep your documents consistent across projects. That's all there is to it. Click the logo, hit the plus icon, choose a format, and you're ready to work. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.